Hey guys, how to upgrade Windows 10 to 11 on unsupported hardware. No TPM 2.0, no secure boot, unsupported CPU with no data loss.
This is Windows 11 after I upgraded from Windows 10. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on any PC or laptop.
Take a look at this app. It shows that my hardware is currently unsupported for Windows 11. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 anyway. Let's get started. Open your web browser and type Windows 11 ISO download and press enter. Click on that link to enter the official download page. Click the drop-down menu under Select Download and choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Click the Download Now button. Under the Select the Product Language section, choose your desired language. Example, English, United States. Click the Confirm button. A 64-bit download button will appear. Click it to start the download.
Extract the ISO file.
Next, create a batch file .bat and input the /product server command. This bypasses the Windows 11 hardware compatibility checks.
Now, run the file with administrative privileges and wait while the system performs the upgrade to Windows 11.
Click Next to continue. Click Accept to continue. Click Next to continue.
Successfully upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now let's check out the results.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for updates on helpful videos.